Hello everyone, my name is Nurunnaher Akter Asha, student of Bangladesh Nursing College, Department of Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery. Now I describe about my favorite family member. I shortly talk about that. My favorite family member is my grandmother. I called her Nanubai. She is a hard-working woman and prettiest also. I like her because her nature and honesty. She is an outgoing person. She always love and made smile other person. Her patience level so high. I like this nature of her. I saw her face. It's another level peaches for me, and I always comfortable with her and her guidance. She always care me and my all necessary things. I follow her all activities. She maintain her fitness and she care about all family members. And she cook very delicious items, and I like she made paesh, and I like this very much. Overall, I respect her nature and her patience level, and I pray for Allah her long life. Thank you.